How's it going, everybody? This is Mark with @Tech, and in this video we'll be doing iPhone XS animations in slow motion. This has been a pretty heavily requested video for some reason. I did not do it on the iPhone X, and the animations on the XS are exactly the same. But why not use the latest and greatest iPhone from Apple? We are going to be shooting at 120 frames per second. We'll take a look at all these animations, the gesture-based ones, in slow motion, seeing what they look like. So here they are. That is going to do it for this quick video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, feel free to leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.